Hi friends, in this session, I'm going to give you the demo of this application auto connection. In Tekla, we apply connections between members by selecting the primary and secondary parts, but mass application is not possible, even though we have auto connection option inbuilt in Tekla, but it's not that effective. With this application, you can apply mass connections to all the selected members with proper configuration. Let's go to Tekla and explore this auto connection. In the interest of the time, I have already created members in the model. You can see the different combinations. And this is rafter and purlins. And you can see beam to beam double side connection and beam to column. Again, this is the double side connection. We are going to apply brace connections to connect column and brace and beam and brace. And this is the apex connection, and splice connections we are going to apply here, haunch connections, and this is number 22 cassette connection. This is the master Excel sheet. We have to create this master Excel sheet. You can see the primary profile, primary name, secondary profile, and secondary name. And if you have secondary parts, you just have to fill that information. And connection types. If you go to the options, you can see the joint types and joint description. So you have to select the connection type here and then the connection number. These are all the saved settings on your system. I would recommend you to keep this file in the model folder so that any changes you do it will be applicable only to that particular model. Let me just close it. I'm going to open the application. Now select all the members. And then once you click collect data, this is going to read the file from your model folder and give you the set of matching rules. And if anything which is not matching, it will also create the data if you go to the not matching rules. So what exactly it means, you have to add these conditions to that master Excel sheet. So let me go to this matching rules, and once you click insert connection for the selected members, this will automatically create the connections. If I go to this connection, you can see, so this is the C section and this is the Z section profile, and double-sided clip angle connection and splice connection. And this is double-sided end plate. And you can also see the base plate connection here, clip angle connection 141, and beam to brace, and it's column to brace. And you can see brace connection to two secondary parts. And this is the apex splice connection. And this application, it works only for the two secondary parts. But if you have three secondary parts, I don't recommend using this application. This is just for your information. Whenever you do the connection, you quickly save the settings and add the condition to your master Excel sheet, so that you can create connections to all the selected members using this application. If you have any question, feel free to get in touch with me, and thank you for watching this video.